government. We are the people they are governing. And if they are not doing anything to come to our aid, in other words, they are not governing us.
Yes. They are not a good leader.
We must do something about it. And very fast.
Since I got married into this community, I have recorded 6 days.
Then, let me warn you. Those who choose the path of fool at the nest, they end up as corpses. Be warned.
Yes.
Who people of Oloblo community come? Oh, I think I have found one of the killers that kills our people on their way to the stream.
Where? How? Where are they?
Right here in front of me.
Let me warn you. Whenever we, the elders of this land, is entering meeting here, you should not come and distract us. Have I made myself clear?
I'm a elder too.
Who made you an elder? Who made you an elder?
My uncle make me an elder.
Something is wrong with you. Ma'am.
Yes.
You have made a point.
You have spoken very well. We are the government and they are governing us.
If at all I'm going to that stream, I will follow the long road that leads to the stream. Even if it will take me the whole day to fetch a bucket of water.
If they don't come to our aid, we have to do something. Because we can't afford to die one by one every day. Before you know it, Olobolo community will finish.
Hey!
My people, malaria kills only because those who are infected either lack the knowledge of what to do or refuse to go for treatment.
Okobere.
Siobori, I want it. I want it not to follow that path, but you refuse now. Look at your God.
You see now, our people usually say that he who does not listen to the wind must pass through the waters.
Supreme Tangulo.
I know in no distance time she'll get better.
Are you going to the stream?
Yes, I'm going to the stream.
Oh, if you don't intend following this way, of course you know it's very dangerous.
I know.
So you mean you've already warned her before? And she paid deaf ears to the warnings? I don't understand you all. You and I know that you're strong and healthy. And you don't have malaria, neither do I. So what's all this about malaria, this, malaria, that?